Good morning, children. Welcome to the Foundation Stage 1 Maths lesson. Today's learning objective is learners will review number 1 to 5 with complete number sense. Today's learning outcome is learners are able to identify numbers 1 to 5, able to identify number value of the given numbers 1 to 5. Able to represent numbers 1 to 5 with complete number sense. So children, today we are going to learn about numbers and their values from 1 to 5. So children, can you tell me which is the first number we are going to learn? Yes, it's number 1. Your guess is right. Perfect. And the value of number 1. Here comes an elephant. How many elephant can you see here? Yes, only one elephant. Very good. And look here. What is it? It's a dice. The dice represent number 1. What comes the next? Yeah, you can recognize it. What is it? It's a 10 frame. Yeah, so what number can you see on the 10 frame? Number 1. Yes, the 10 frame represents number 1. Oh, look at the fingers. So how many fingers can you see here? One finger. Well done. Come on everyone, show me your one finger. Perfect. Yes, what is this one? Yay, it's a tally mark. So, how many tally mark can you see here? Only one. Perfect, good job. And here comes a number line. So, can you find number 1 on the number line? Yes, sure you can. Can you see number 1 circled red? Yes. So this is the way we find number 1 on number line. So which number will come next? Shall we go to the next number? Which number will come after 1? Do you know that? Can you tell me? Yes, you're right. It's number 2. Yes, the next number after 1 is 2. What is the number value of 2? You can see in the picture. How many dinos can you see? Yes, there are 2 dinos. What can you see now? It's a dice. Yes, the dice represents number 2. And here comes the 10 frame. So what does the 10 frame represent? By 2 pink dots? Yes, it represents number 2. Ah, look over here. Who is going to show me number 2 in your hands? Yes, can I see number 2 finger? Perfect, well done. You know the value of number 2 through your finger. And yes, you know there's tally marks. So how many tally marks do you find here? 2. Perfect. And here comes the number line. So can you find 2 on number line? Yes, you can find the red line, circle line. Can you see? Yes, it's a number line and you can find number 2 on this number line. Well done, good job. And which is the next number you're going to look at? Come on, think, 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 think. Yes, you are absolutely right. It's number three. So, what is the value of number three here? How many dogs can you see in the picture? Yes, there are three dogs. One, two, and three. Well done. And let us go to the next slide. Yes. What can you see now? A dice. So what does the dice represent? It represents number three. Oh, what about this 10 frame? Can you count the dots on the 10 frame? How many pink dots are there on the 10 frame? One, two, three. Perfect. You're right. Now let us go to the counting number of three through our fingers. Come on, show me your three fingers. Perfect. You know number three. And let us go to the next one. It's a tally mark. So how many tally mark line you can see here in the picture? Three. And here comes the number line. So can you find number three on the number line? Yeah, it's very easy. Y'all are right. Well done, kids. Now let us go to the next number. Which is the next number after three? Think. One, two, three. We are done with three, and next is yes. Yes, you're right. It's number four. Well done, kids. And the number value for number four is this four fish here in the picture. Can you count the four fish? Yes, one, two, three, four. Well done. Here comes a die. So what do the dice represent? Which number it represents? Number four, because we can see the four black dots in the dice. And here is a 10 frame. So what number the 10 frame represents? Number four, because we can see pink four dots. And yes, fingers. So how many numbers can you see here in the fingers? What does the finger represent? Yes, you're right. The finger represents number four. Well done. And here comes a tally mark. So how many tally mark lines can you see here? Four. Well done. And here is a number line. Yes, I think you can find number four on number line. Yes, here you can see the red circle over here. Yes, you can see number four on number line. Perfect. Let us go to the next number. So which is the next number you're going to learn? Think. You're right. Wow, kids, you're so smart and intelligent. Yes, it's number five, and the number five value is five apples. Yeah, I can see five apples. And what about the dice? Let me see the dice. Wow, this dice represent number five. Great, and look at the 10 frame. I can see five pink dots on the 10 frame. Perfect, kids. You all know to count number five and their values, and you know about the ties and the 10 frame. Now let us go to the fingers. Yeah. Come on, give me high five. Yay, high five. So how many fingers can you see when you give high five? Five fingers. Yes. So this five finger represent number five. Well done. And next comes the tally mark. Can you see how many tally mark lines are there? Yes, come on, count. One, two, three, four, five. Oh, where is five? The five number is the slant line. Yes. So when we count tally mark after four, five, for five, we are going to just put a slash slant line. Okay, it means number 5. Well done, kids. And let's go for the next one. It's a number line. So can you see number 5 on the number line? Yes, the red circled one is number 5 on the number line. Well done, kids. We learned about numbers and their values and the different ways of showing number 1 to 5. It's activity time now, kids. Let us do some activity. So, can you tell me how many sharks are there in this picture? Can you count? Only one. So, what is the number value of this one shark? Yes, you're right. Number 1. Let us go to the next slide. How many birds are there in this picture? Can you count? 1, 2. Only 2 birds. So what is the number value of this 2 birds? Number 2. Perfect. Well done, kids. How many fish are there in this picture? Can you count? 1, 2, 3. 3 fish. Well done. You are absolutely right. How many boats are there in this picture? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 boats. So what is the number value of 4? Yes, number 4. How many starfish are there in this picture? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done, kids. Good job. It's number 5. Now, let us do an activity. Count and match with correct number. So, can you see how many pizza pieces are there? Can you count? 1, 2, 3. So, let us match with number 3. Perfect. So, how many French fries can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us match with number 4. Perfect. How many burgers can you see in the picture? 1, 2. So where is number 2? Let us match with number 2. Great. So how many juice you can see here? Only one glass of juice I can see. So where is number 1? Let me match with number 1. Perfect. So how many ice cream balls can you see here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where is number 5? Over here. Let me match with number 5. Great job, kids. Well done. Let us go to the next. Let us do another activity. Count the objects and circle the correct number. Yes. So how many apples can you see here in the first box? 1. So I will circle number 1. How many boots can you see here in the second picture? 2. So I will circle number 2. How many mangoes can you see in this picture? 3. So I will circle number 3. And how many caps you can see here? Only 1. So I will circle number 1. And how many gloves you can see over here? 2 gloves. So I will circle number 2. How many football can you see here? I can see only 1. So I will circle number 1. How many basketball can you see here in the picture? I can see three basketballs. So I will circle number three. And how many dinos are left now here? Can you tell me? Yes, there are three. So let me now circle number three. Well done, my dear kids. You did a great job. It's reflection time. Take 5 cups, label each cup as 1 to 5, use popsicle sticks or straws to show the number values, take a picture and upload it on MS Team. Thank you, children. See you next week. Have a good day. Bye.